because he is knowledgeable because he grew up with a lawyer.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Oddball is the one that usually jumps in with the, all right, let me set this straight, guys, as we're talking about something legal.
A few months before, a little over 2 years after my second divorce from Pam was finalized. When they saw me, they couldn't help but double over in laughter. Not just because he was still beat up from our workout.
I found that all of a sudden, like that movie came out, and because of Titanic that year, you know, Titanic was a phenomenon of a movie, you know, once in a lifetime type thing. And the Oscars, I think, got a huge audience because of that. And we sort of drafted on that because our speech that
Hello? What the fuck? This dumbass had a truck in his ass. Hello? What the fuck? This dumbass.
Continue for 3 miles.
He about had a...
Come out any further into the road there, Slick? Jesus. Oh, his mother. Oh, his mother.
Call 911. Oh, lovely. Yes.
I can't see a thing. Help me, Lord.
god. Oh my... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, did they just spin out? Yeah. Oh my god. I hope they're okay.
That was wild.
That's what I was worried about that. Cool. Okay.
Lots of hits. Lots of everything.
1017 Mike FM.
Dude! Good stop sign! Oh! 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 He's gonna get... Yes! Yes!
Oh my god, we never get to see anything like that.
Is it recording?
Yes!
Did that win a red light? Finally!
Yes! We got it on camera.
Yeah, pull him over, bro. Yeah, pull him over.
Please don't tell me to call somebody. There it is, see? Holy shit. Holy shit. Another one who doesn't want to clean his car off. He's got like an